In this video I will show you how to like in new version Antbubble 3.3 we have new feature that we can back up documents. So let's see how it works. So from backup and restore menu here we can see that there are backup documents option. So we can click that. And let's say we have ESV that we have already okay, ESV is not available anymore in download, but anyway you might have it because it was earlier, and if you want to back up that, for example to get it to your other device, you can do it like this. You select whatever modules you want. Let's copy also NASP. So we press OK. It creates zip file out of this, and then it shows to save this. So I can now send it to Google Drive or Gmail or whatever options you might have here. So let's save it to Google Drive. So I can choose the folder where I want to put it. Let's put it here and then give it name. Like this. And save. Now the backup file is going to Google Drive. Let's see, I will check if this is going. Okay, now my upload is finishing. So let's see now how I can restore my backup. So I continue from backup and restore documents from, and then I choose of course here we can choose Google Drive and find the folder where we have it. We have demo backup here. So let's take it from there. So now, as you can see, it asks after we have been choosing that document, because we are already having this module here. So it asks if you ever want to overwrite or not. So let's click yes. Now it is installing these modules and it says that it is successful. So it is easy like this. Hope you like this feature, and yes, bye bye.